Hello guys and welcome to my channel. For this video I'm going to tour you inside the parents room of my futuristic house. Well, this is my biggest room that I made. Here's just the door, the massive window, the parents bed with their lamp, and then some candles here and stuffs like tree. Here's a window, I mean mirror, pet area, vault, books, and tall mirror, makeup dresser for mom, and up here is their closet. Here is their dresses and kid stuffs, and let's go down. Oh, and just their bathroom. Okay, so now I'm going to give you alright, here's my friend, but I'm gonna give you a first person look. Sorry for the lucky fit. Alright, guys, I'm just giving you ideas. You can copy it if you want. And I'd be really happy if you use all my ideas because I love to share. Okay, here's the top view. If you're here at the top, and that's very much for today. And I hope you like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.